everyone, Ashley here from Dollhouse team, and I just wanted to share with you today the stuff that I received in my Fab Fit Fun Box. First of all, the reason why I even bought the box was because all of you guys had suggested to me to purchase Coola sunscreen, since my daughter was having an allergic reaction to everything else. Well, scrolling through Instagram, I saw that this edition of Fab Fit Fun had Coola sunscreen in it, and for $10 more, it came with all this other stuff. So I thought, what the heck, I'm gonna try it. I want you guys to see everything that I got in my box because holy cow, it's amazing. So first and foremost, we got the Coola sunscreen, and you guys, I used it on my daughter the other day. She had no allergic reaction. Before, her face would swell or she would get rash, and she didn't. So I'm super stoked that we possibly found something that worked. Yay! Secondly, we got this papaya enzyme peel, and it is very thick. It smells delicious. I'm gonna put some on my hand here and rub it in so you guys can kind of see. You put it on your face, you leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then you rinse it off with like lukewarm water, but holy cow, it smells so good. So I can't wait. I haven't used that yet, but I can't wait to see what it does for me. We also got this Luna Fofo, which if you guys follow us on our Instagram at Dollhouse Team, when I originally shared this box in our story, I had no idea what this is. After a little bit of research, I learned that it's antibacterial. The battery lasts forever, and it massages and cleanses your face, which is great for me because I'm always having to charge my Clarisonic, or I use washcloths and then I have to do laundry, and who has time for that? So I think this is gonna be a great time saver. It's antibacterial, it'll keep my face clear. I am so stoked to use this. One of the great things about Fab Fit Fun is sometimes you can choose different things to put into your box. So I chose this aromatherapy gel. It's a de-stress muscle gel from Aromatherapy Associates. And the other night I used some on my neck and my shoulders. It gets really tense here from blow drying, and on the inside of my hands from curling and rotating, different things like that. And it smells delicious, first of all. It's cooling, so I got instant relief, and I was totally relaxed and fell right asleep. This is a big bottle of it. It's 5 ounces. I know you can't see the logo. There you go. It's gonna be a lifesaver. One of the things that was a big surprise to me was from Tarte Cosmetics, the Tarteist Pro Glow Palette. My fingerprints are already all over this, but when you open it up, it is so beautiful inside, you guys. I can't wait to add a little highlight. I put some here. You can kind of see the highlight already. Excited! Other great stuff that came in the box is all these great different accessories that I would never purchase at the store. Like, for instance, this cute little business card holder from Minor History. I will be putting this in my purse. I will no longer be at networking events like, hold on a second, let me find my business card. Oh no, it's right here in this cute little purse. Love the colors, peach and gold, Minor History, you nailed it. I would never purchase this at the store, but after owning one, I probably will. I also got this great marble dish from Pier 1. So cute, you guys. Set it next to my bed, fits in right with the theme of my room. When I take my Dollhouse Lashes off at night, I put them in my little dish along with my rings. So awesome, so cute. Like I said, again, something I probably wouldn't buy at the store. I'm pinching pennies. Came in my box for the same price as my sunscreen. Win-win. And last but not least, I am not a cute towel purchaser. I don't know who is out there. Kudos to you. I usually am not. So when this Summer and Rose towel came in the Fab Fit Fun Box, I was like, oh my God, I finally own a cute towel. And it is soft like a blanket, and it's big and luxurious, and now I will be one of those girls on the beach with her cute beach towel or by the pool, rocking it. So cute, and I am super stoked that I now own this, and it was all for $43.95 was what it came out with tax. So I am super stoked. Fab Fit Fun, you're a winner in my eyes. I can't wait for my next box to come. I subscribed, and I will get 4 of these boxes a year, and I will share with you guys every time I do because this is awesome. If you're interested in more product knowledge or about new products coming out, stay tuned on our channel or follow us on Instagram at Dollhouse Team for our Insta stories or IGTV.